In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Affinity by Canva. If you're cleaning up a product photo, isolating a logo, or simplifying a layout, removing a background in Affinity by Canva is quick once you know where to look. We'll keep things simple and focus on the Layers panel, which gives you precise control over what is visible in your document. Start by opening the Affinity by Canva app on your computer. Once you're in, look to the right side of the workspace for the Layers panel. This is your project's stack of elements from topmost artwork down to the base. You're looking for the layer labeled Background, or the bottommost layer that functions as the backdrop. Selecting it ensures you're adjusting only the background and not your subject or other design elements. You have two clean options to remove what you see behind your subject. The first is to make that background invisible. With the background layer selected, click the eye icon next to it in the Layers panel. The eye icon controls visibility. When you switch it off, the background is still there, but hidden. This is a non-destructive approach, which means you can bring it back at any time by clicking the eye again. If your document supports transparency, you'll see a checkerboard pattern where the background used to be. That pattern doesn't print. It simply indicates empty space, perfect for placing your subject over a different color or image later. The second option is to remove the background entirely. Right-click on the background layer and choose Delete. This permanently clears that layer from the stack, leaving transparency behind. It's a clean, minimal setup that's helpful when you're certain you no longer need the background. If you change your mind immediately after deleting, you can undo to restore it, but otherwise this is considered a destructive change, so choose it when you're confident. A quick tip on choosing between these two. Hiding the background with the eye icon is ideal while you're still experimenting or collaborating, since it keeps your file flexible. Deleting the background streamlines your document when you're ready to finalize or hand off assets with a transparent backdrop. Once you've hidden or deleted the background layer, take a moment to visually confirm your subject looks correct and that the transparency is where you expect it. That's all there is to it. By using the Layers panel to either toggle visibility or delete the background layer, you can control your canvas cleanly and confidently in Affinity by Canva.